Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play the piano part to Let Me Entertain You by Robbie Williams. I've done a few Robbie Williams tutorials now, so I'll leave that playlist linked in the description, as well as where you can find the full chords and lyrics to this tutorial. I'll just sing as a reference point, so let's dive in. So this one is in the key of F major, so on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of F major. So these are the notes we're using, plus others as well. Here is middle C as a reference. I'll teach both hands at the same time, so left hand is blue and right hand will be orange on the screen there. We'll look at the intro first. So the first chord is the root chord. With all of these chords, we always have this F, like the root note, as the top voice, the top note of the chord. So the left hand in the intro, and this is how we're going to play the verses as well, stays on Fs, octave Fs. So the right hand we're going to play A, C, F, so it's first inversion of F major. I'll play this first bit first, so the first chord. So we're going to play the chord with the low F first. I'll do it very slow. And then this F with your thumb in the left hand. So we have. And then we play these two Fs together twice. And then we play this chord again with this note twice. So. Quite quick, so like together, left, together, together, together chord, together chord. And then the next chord, we're going to change the A with your thumb to an A flat. So this gives us F minor, and we're going to do a similar thing, A flat, C, F. So chord with the low F, the thumb F, these two Fs twice, so that goes. And then we're going to play this chord, we're going to change that kind of to an F minor 7, so in the right hand that's C, E flats and F, we're going to play these notes together twice. And then in the right hand we're going to change to B flat major, so it's B flats, D and F. So we go together, thumb, Fs, Fs. Back to this C, E flat, F chord with your thumb once. Back to the B flat major chord with the F once. And then that first chord of F major again with this low F. Thumb, together. So just Fs at the end. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you repeat all that again. So we have, I'll do it very slow. Full speed. So you play that twice through for the intro, and you play that twice more through for the verse. So I'm going to try and sing this and play at the same time. Hell is gone and heaven's here, there's nothing left for you to fear. Shake your ass, come over here, now scream. I'm a burning effigy of everything I used to be. You're my rock of empathy, my dear. So come on, let me. So for the chorus then, it's very similar. So it's that F. So I'm going to do this left, right type thing with my chord and with my thumb on the F in the chorus. So the first chord is that F chord. Kind of going to go. So next chord is A flat major. So A flat's in the left hand. If you can't stretch octaves, just play a single note, and then A flat, C, E flat in the right hand. So together, left, right, left, right, left, right. To B flat major, which we've had in the right hand, but with B flats in the left hand. Together, left, right, left, right. And then we play C and E flat, B flat and D, back to F major. You can play around with the rhythm, you don't have to do exactly what I'm doing. So if I demonstrate the chorus. The next verse we're going to play exactly the same as the first one. Life's too short for you to die, so grab yourself an alibi. Heaven knows you mow the line, bullshit. Separate your right from wrongs, come and sing a different song. The kettle's on, so don't be long, bullshit. So come on, let me entertain you. Third verse, we're going to just play the same as well. Look me up in yellow pages, and I will be a rock of ages. You sympathize in your crazy phases, yeah. Little Bo Peep's lost his sheep, he pops a pill and fell asleep. The dew is wet, but the grass is sweet, my dear. And then we have this kind of bridge part. Your mind gets burned with the habits you've learned. So similar chords, so we have F major, and I'm going to play this in the same style as we play the chorus. And then we have A flat major but with E flat in the bass, so A flat over E flat. And then B flat major but with D in the bass, so B flat over D. And back to F. Do that again. So that bit goes. Your mind gets burned with the habits you've learned, but we're a generation that's gotta be learned. You're tired of your teachers and your schools that drag. You're not gonna win them like your mom. So the bridge after that is the same, and then we're into a bridge again. So exact same chords, and then we play that intro riff again after it. He may be good, he may be out of sight, but he And then we're into the chorus, but 3 times this time. Let me entertain you. Let me entertain you. So come on, let me entertain you. And then we're into this, come on, 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 come on. So I'm gonna call this the outro. Very similar chords. So we have the F major again. And then we have B flat sus4. Something a bit different. So E flat's in the left hand, and then B flat sus4 in the right hand. So it's B flat, E flat, and F. And then B flat over D, which we've already had. Back to F. Repeat that again. F. B flat sus4 over E flat. E flat over D. And then on the F, we have a glissando, which I'm not going to go over how we play technically. It's just if you want to include that in there, which leads into the very, very end where there's that saxophone solo. That comes in at the end of that chord progression. And then it just fades using the same chords as the chorus, just till it fades whilst the saxophone solo is happening over it. Come on, come on. end of this video. If you have a request, please leave them in the comment section of this video. Also remember to like and subscribe. I've left some videos here you might like, so go and check those out. I also have a course, so if you would like to learn how to read music from scratch, go visit Bitesize Piano Course.co.uk. You can enroll and start learning. I'll see you in the next video.